The valley where there has been a fierce gun battle which has been raging on in Patan in northern Kashmir. We believe that one Jawan and one policeman have been killed in this encounter, while 3 security personnel and 1 civilian have been injured in this battle.
Anti-insurgency operation continues in the Tangmarg area of North Kashmir. Thus far, there have been 2 casualties on the side of the security forces. 1 army man and 1 policeman have been killed in the first burst of gunfire from the militant side. So far, also we have reports that 3 more security force personnel have been injured and also a civilian. Now, right now, there has been a brief lull in firing. In fact, there has been no firing from the last 30 to 35 minutes. There is a search operation on. Our sources in the police tell us that the militants have changed their location. Initially, they were cornered in a certain area. Now they have slipped from there and have gone inside, basically on the other side of this particular ridge. Now, operation continues, a joint operation of 29 Rashtriya Rifles, police and CRPF. More reinforcements have been brought in. Now, this is a very difficult area. There is a difficult topography for the security forces to really maintain a tight control, or should I say tight cordon on the militants, and that is why it seems that they have slipped from the first location and are on the other side. In fact, right now, search operation continues. The army police is on their hot trail, but as I said, no firing from the last 20-25 minutes. In the first burst of gunfire, most of the casualties have happened on the security force side. We have come to know that at least 3 more security force personnel, including 2 army men and 1 policeman, have been injured, and also a civilian. So this operation right now continues, and in fact, more reinforcements brought in to ensure that the area is completely enveloped and militants are not allowed to escape. Mir Farid, Tangmarg Times Now.